You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more videos for you. You're going to learn so much on this channel. Exterritoriality. Alright, so let's be a bit more serious. British English pronunciation. Exterritoriality. Now, in the US, the American English pronunciation says more as exterritoriality. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.